I'm Mears with Sotheby's International Realty Canada. I have an ask for you agents in the current Calgary real estate market. Stop, take a moment, and keep your clients protected. Yes, the market has low supply. Yes, we've even seen an increase in multiple offers, and yes, it feels like it won't end. But stop, take a breath, and remind yourself it is not about getting the transaction done. It's about protecting your clients. An offer with no conditions, is that the right move for a new home buyer? What if the home needs repairs? No property inspection? Is your client using all their cash to purchase the home, not to mention closing costs? Gentle reminder that a mortgage pre-approval does not mean that financing is guaranteed. Here at Sotheby's International Realty Canada, our agents take the time to help clients slow down, make the best decisions for the long run.